This footage shows the moment a round of Israeli airstrikes pummeled a tented community in Gaza's Khan Yunis Saturday morning. The territory's medical officials saying the strike, as well as one on the Hamas-run police headquarters in Gaza City and a nearby apartment block, left more than 30 people dead, marking the deadliest day the enclave has seen in weeks.
We found my 3 little nieces in the street. They say ceasefire and all. What did those children do?
Palestinian hospital leaders say 5 children are among the dead. Family and friends of those killed, laying them to rest the very same day.
We only hear of the ceasefire, but in reality, it does not exist. There are strikes each day.
The Israeli military says the strikes were targeting Hamas and were launched in response to a breach of the U.S.-brokered ceasefire deal. The army claims that on Friday, troops in Rafah identified 8 Hamas gunmen emerging from a tunnel. The Hamas spokesperson is calling the claims baseless, adding that they mark a, quote, blatant and pathetic attempt to justify the horrific massacres against civilians. The militant group is now also accusing Israel of violating the truce deal. Throughout the war, Israel continuously cast doubts on the death toll in Gaza, listed by the enclave's health authorities and backed by the United Nations. The country, however, is seemingly shifting its tone. Israeli media, citing senior military officials, say the country now accepts that around 70,000 Palestinians were killed during the conflict. The statement adds that leaders are now working to distinguish how many of the dead were Hamas versus civilians. Gazan health authorities say since the start of the ceasefire in October, at least 480 Palestinians have been killed in Israeli attacks. For City News, I'm Karling Donoghue.